Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Lenox Timbergrove. We're looking at their B5 floor plan. Whoa, this is just gorgeous. Look at this. So pretty. This is a gorgeous 2-bedroom. It's got all of these windows here. It's really built for entertaining and having a lot of fun. I mean, look at these design features. It's really fun, just beautiful appliances. That's a wine rack there. Gorgeous kitchen here, a lot of space, and just a really pretty massive island. But I mean, look at all the space you have here. This is very, very special. This is going to give you just the space to have a huge amount of fun. You could have probably easily 12 to 15 people in here, no problem, if you set it up right. And it's a really, really pretty space. You got a balcony here as well. We'll step out on that so you can see that. Really, really attractive. And by the way, it's two sides. Whoa, look at how long that is. Massive balcony. You're with some great views of essentially the Heights and Timbergrove areas. Really, really pretty balcony. Really love the feel here. This is the kind of place, and it's all new, it's never lived in. So wouldn't you love a new, never lived in place with this kind of look and feel at a perfect good price? Well, what I want you to do is send me a text and say, hey Grant, I want to set up a tour so I can see that and get this B5. My number is below. You can just say hi and request the tour. We can also add other Heights apartments to your tours too, and you can see several on the same tour. We can do that, by the way, on your phone or in person. So send me a text below, say hi Grant, and that's my number.